10 physical features on birds. Rictal bristles are short bristles at the base of the bill of some insectivorous birds. They probably help in catching and feeling for prey in the air. Casque is a hollow structure along the upper mandible of hornbills. It is used for resonating calls over a long distance. Cloaca is a common opening near the base of the tail. It is used for reproduction and waste disposal. Facial disc is a concave disc on the front of the face of some owls. It helps to catch the sound of prey and direct the sound to the ears. The frons is an area at the front of the head above the bill and just below the crown. It is often brightly colored and used in courtship display. Gular is the skin or membranes of the throat area. On a very hot day, some birds gular flutter to cool the body. Malar stripe is a stripe that runs from the base of the bill down the side of the throat. The nictitating membrane is like a third eyelid that moves sideways across the eye from the inside outwards. It helps to protect and clean the eye. The pectinate claw is found on some birds like nightjars. It has one side flattened and serrated, and it is used in combing the plumage. Pectoral tufts are small brightly colored patches of feathers on the shoulders of some birds like sunbirds. They are used when the male displays for females.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.